Hi friends, welcome back to our channel The Junction Trails. Today we are going to Kullabergs Nature Reserve, which took 1.5 hours to reach from Helsingborg by bus. Before reaching the destination, this was the view from our window seat. And guys, meet my husband.
Hey there, fellow adventurers. Today we are taking you to a mesmerizing journey to the mountains of Kullaberg Naturreservat, nestled in the stunning region of Skåne, Sweden. Get ready to witness breathtaking landscape, hidden treasures, and enchanting wonders of the nature. Let's dive in.
We have just arrived at Kullabergs Nature Reserve. Kullaberg is an ancient mountain ridge that juts out in the sea in northwestern Scania. The reserve actually contains more than two-thirds of Sweden's plants variety. As we step foot into this magical place, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible views that surrounds us. While we explore the beauty of Kullabergs, it's essential to address an important aspect of responsible tourism, its littering. As we appreciate the wonders of this natural heaven, let's take a moment to reflect on the impact of our actions. Within Kullaberg stands a famous landmark, Kullabergs Lighthouse. This lighthouse is unique attraction that will mesmerize you with its stunning beauty and rich history. Prepare yourself to be captivated by the breathtaking coastal views that Kullabergs offers. Behold the majestic cliffs towering above the crystal clear waters of the Baltic Sea. Can you see that tiny lighthouse there? Let's go there. Our adventure begins with a thrilling hike through the awesome trails of Kullabergs. Join us as we navigate the rugged terrain surrounded by lush forest and stunning coastal cliffs. One of the hidden gems of Kullabergs is its fascinating network of caves. Let's explore these mystical underground chambers and uncover their secrets. Our adventure in Kullabergs has been nothing short of extraordinary. From the thrilling hikes to the inspiring cliffs and hidden wonders, this place truly has it all. If you are seeking an unforgettable experience immersed in nature's embrace, Kullabergs in Skåne, Sweden should be at the top of your travel list. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow travelers, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures. Join us next time as we continue exploring and creating unforgettable memories. Bye bye, see you next time.